We all know how important it is to have a top-notch resume, but many job seekers tend to forget how crucial it is to back up your resume with a solid cover letter. Hi, I'm Debbie Dalma-Heron, HR consultant and career strategist with freeresumes.com. Many people make the huge mistake of sending a generic cover letter to multiple employers without a second thought, but a killer cover letter will help you stand out from the crowd. Today, we're going to show you how to write a great cover letter. Let's start by addressing the doubt if you even need a cover letter. You may think that adding a cover letter to your resume is an extra task, so you might be just submitting your resume. However, in most cases, a good cover letter will boost your chances of getting an interview. Done correctly, your cover letter will help you highlight your valuable skills and experience for the job without the employer searching your resume for it. It can make all the difference between making it to the yes pile for an interview or being rejected. So what should you include in your cover letter? Make sure to include previous experience that directly relates to the job that you are applying for. This shows that you can hit the ground running. Your cover letter should be 3 to 5 paragraphs, with each paragraph targeted to a different aspect of your application. Next, go through the job description and search for keywords and phrases to include. This is what the employer is looking for in a candidate. By mirroring the language used in the advertisement, you demonstrate you are a match for their needs. Okay, now let's cover how to make writing that cover letter easier. If you're not a natural-born writer, or even if you are, crafting a great cover letter can seem difficult. Basically, a good cover letter needs to get across 3 important things: that you have the necessary skills to fit the job, you have strong communication skills, and you will fit in with the team. To get these points across, start out strong. The first few sentences of your letter are the most valuable. This isn't the time to beat around the bush, so launch straight into why you are perfect for the job. Here's an example of an attention-grabbing introduction. You are looking for a person who can communicate extremely well on all levels, someone who is self-assured and confident and can be trusted to work independently or cooperatively within a team. I believe I am that person you need. Once you have your reader hooked, you can move on to why your skills and experience are perfect for the role. When crafting your cover letter, remember to inject some personality. The key is making the employer want to meet you. Your cover letter serves the purpose of demonstrating why you are a good fit for the job, but you don't want to come across as a robot. Employers hire people based on their skills and their personality. They like to hire people that they can get along with and be able to work well with others. By making the tone of your letter conversational, you can demonstrate that you are friendly and approachable. That leads me into what to avoid in your cover letter. A poorly constructed cover letter isn't going to win you any interviews, so keep it on point and relevant. Avoid making your cover letter too long. An employer can be put off when they see huge blocks of text for them to wade through. Cut out unnecessary information. Your cover letter is not the place to tell an employer that you are the captain of your basketball team. Everything you include in your letter should be relevant for that job. Also, steer clear of overused catchphrases that recruiters see over and over again, such as, "I am passionate about," "I am a team player," or "I am a fast learner." Before submitting your cover letter, take extra care in proofreading and editing. Look for any typos and grammatical errors that can make your cover letter look sloppy. You can even recruit a couple of friends or family members to look it over for minor mistakes you may have missed. Here is an example of a cover letter. To make it even easier for you, we have included a link to great cover letter examples in the description below. And to save you time, we are also including a link to access some amazing templates you can customize. Just remember to tailor the text to reflect why you should be selected for the job interview. Harsh as it may sound, the reality that neglecting your cover letter can lose you that job, no matter how good your resume is. So make sure you have a great cover letter to back up your resume, and you will be sure to stand out from all the other candidates. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and click subscribe to get more helpful tips.